This is one of the stadium seats. Has a nice convenient handle strap like this, a carry strap with this non-slip thingy. Very nice. They're not heavy at all. This is the bottom of it, which has the hooks for the bleachers so that it does not come off or slide away. Also gives you the option to rock also if you'd like that. This is the Velcro that keeps it in place together when you're done using it. This is the thickness of it. You're able to unzip and wash if you need to. Very nice quilted back. Very nice quality. So once you're done, you're gonna go like this. And you're ready to go. If you've ever sat through a long game on hard bleachers, you know the struggle. But this stadium seat honestly changes everything. I brought it to a game and wow, total game changer. It's super padded, a lot thicker than a lot that you see online. It has great back support and the seat is wider than most, so you're not squished or uncomfortable. Plus it folds easily and the shoulder straps makes it super convenient to carry. Whether you're watching sports, kids games, or outdoor events, this seat makes the whole experience so much more enjoyable. So if you're tired of sore backs and numb legs, this is definitely worth it. It's comfortable, sturdy, and lightweight. You'll thank yourself later.